Hello everyone, it's Naveen, your local real estate agent in Southern California. If this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get all the new videos. Today, we're doing a property tour in Corona. Corona is one of the cities where home prices are still relatively affordable compared to many other parts of Southern California. The city is known for its steady, moderate growth rate, and the median age of residents is around 35 years old. It's a family-oriented community with residents ranging from young children to adults in their 60s. By the way, Corona is also considered a great city for real estate investment, especially when it comes to 4-bedroom homes, since there is strong demand for rental properties in the area. The home we're touring today features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1812 square feet of living space, and sits on a 7840 square foot lot. It's currently listed for sale at $848. Now let's begin our tour. I hope you like this house, and if you would like to preview it or see any other home in Southern California, feel free to reach out to me. And if you would like to see if you can get pre-approved to purchase a home, give me a call and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.